Hey friends, welcome back to LOPO's channel, and today we are going to be making tons of Easter things. So these are going to be some really fun things that you can make for Easter for gifts, to give as hosted gifts when you go around celebrating for Easter, or for your kids, or for family members, or just for fun happenings. And I want you to really have fun with all the things that you are making. Okay, let me show you what our first project is going to be. So the first category of products are all about practical. I'm gonna craft our linen Easter basket, polyester apron, eggshell, stainless steel cap, and metal tin. Let's see the first one. The linen Easter baskets comes with 3 colors: pink, green, and blue. And I love these colors. It works with so much, especially for spring. It's about 7.8 inches by 9.8 inches, and we support large size for customization. You can put Easter joy in or children's name to delight your kids. Next one is linen apron. During Easter, baking delicious treats like cookies, cakes, and decorated eggs is a popular tradition. This apron actually designed from mass production without compromising quality for low-budget customers. Third one is eggshell stainless steel cap. This is a perfect blend of functionality and festive charm. You can put names or designs and present them as small thoughtful Easter gifts, or add them as a part of Easter themed dining table setup. Last one is metal tin. You can print Easter theme patterns or custom designs on metal tin boxes for storing chocolates, candies, or decorated eggs. The second category are decorative products, garden flags. They can also be used in front yards, gardens to welcome guests with vibrant Easter-themed designs like bunnies, eggs, and floral patterns. MDF plaque, featuring smooth surface, white in appearance, lightweight and with durable performance. They are ideal for decorating homes, gardens, or doorways. You can print or write something on these signs to let people know what you want them to know. Express your good blessing in details. The third category are funny and cute products. The small stuffed bunny is a classic symbol for Easter, ideal to take the role of Easter egg filler or Easter basket stuffers to add to the festive mood and bring you more joy. You can print any patterns you want on the blanket t-shirt, making it your unique item. The sublimation puzzle is made of sturdy cardboard material, which is strong and durable, not easy to break, and the surface is smooth and shiny. Perfect for family bonding or as a fun activity for kids. Thank you for joining us on this journey of Easter creativity, and there's no better time to prepare for the festive rush. Let's turn these versatile blanks into something extraordinary for your customers. Your next bestsellers are waiting. I'm Zoe from LOPO. See you next time.